guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Hope you are great. So this is evening here. So I want to film my mukbang video, okay? I said let me just do intro of this video here. I said let me just do the intro of this video here before I start. So when I dish my mukbang food, yeah, I'm going to show you guys, okay? Okay, this vlog begins. Madam is here dragging my clothes. I'm sweating. I just finished eating hot food. I said it I might not remember to record my mukbang, like show you put the clip of the food I ate. Oh, see the way I'm sweating, hot food. I just finished filming the mukbang video. People should pardon me, okay? At times you might want to do something and it's not in the same phone. Okay, had it been is in the same phone now, I'll bring out some clip to show you guys in this video, but it's not in the same phone, and to transfer it to this phone is going to be stressful. I'm not ready for that. So next time, I promise you people, I'm gonna show you a clip of my mukbang video. Okay, yeah, so guys, I'm going to talk to you guys later. So I want to go and remove this my wig, okay? Then guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So it is Monday, it is morning here. Yeah, the kids have gone to school. I'm the only one at home now. I want to quickly have my breakfast, then I'll go and have my shower and take my bath. So I'm gonna look at my eyes. I don't know what is wrong with my eyes. It's paining me. This one, the right side, it's kind of red. So I'll talk to you guys later. Jesus, I'm tired. I'm having catarrh. I have catarrh. My nose is blocked. I just finished bathing. Not really now, but I've been lying down since to have rest. I have catarrh. Very soon my kids will be back. It's almost 3 here. Look at my face. It is not easy. Just heard the bell. Let me quickly open door for them. Oh Jesus, it's not easy. I don't even know that there is light. Oh my God. Who is knocking? Who is there? How are you? Say, mommy, good afternoon. Your own is to on television, watch cartoon. Have you greeted mommy? Have you greeted mommy? It's not morning, it's afternoon, okay? How was school today? Oh, you're gonna remove your clothes. Hey guys. So, I'm outside receiving fresh air. Yeah. So I'm trying to look for people that have not supported for a very long time or support them. I've not really been active in checking out some people, but I don't blame myself anyway. It has not been easy. Yeah, it has not been easy. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It is another beautiful day here. Okay, so I went somewhere. I said let me quickly branch to the market to get some things in the market. Okay, so right now I'm heading to the market. This is the way to market. It's not trackable from my home, from my house, but where I went to is very close. I said let me use this opportunity to get one or two things that I need at home. Okay, this is around some minutes to 1 p.m. So I want to quickly do fast so that I can be able to come back quick and pick before my kids will come back from school. Okay, so let's go there. I might not carry you along fully in the market process. It's likely it's going to be in another vlog. Okay, I think it's going to be a full market vlog in another video. So maybe I'm going to be ending this vlog, this particular vlog here. Okay, don't forget to thumbs up if you're just coming across my channel for the first time. Okay, subscribe, like this video. Okay, you can also share. See you in another clip if there will be another clip in this video. Okay, yeah.